Bonjour, je m'appelle Lakshmi. Welcome back to my channel Learn French with Lakshmi. Welcome back to another series. It's our level 2 series and it's first video to the series. So let's start with IR ending verbs. As you all know, there are three groups of verbs in French: ER ending verbs, IR ending verbs and RE ending verbs. ER ending verbs we have already learned in level 1 and now we are going to learn level IR ending verbs. That means verbs ending with IR are conjugated in the same way. Let's see how it is. First of all, let's see some of the IR ending words. First is finir. F-I-N-I-R. Finir. Finir means to finish. Number 2, choisir. C-H-O-I-S-I-R. Choisir means to choose. To choose. Then remplir. Remplir means to fill. Remplir means to fill. Grandir, G-R-A-N-D-I-R, that means to grow. Rougir, R-O-U-G-I-R, rougir means to redden. To redden. Punir, P-U-N-I-R, punir means to punish. These are the some of the IR ending verbs. Finir, to finish. Choisir, to choose. Remplir, to fill. Grandir, to grow. Rougir, to redden. Punir, to punish. So let's see how we conjugate it. Let's start with finir. Once again I am saying all the verbs ending with IR are conjugated in the same way. The first step is remove IR. The first step to conjugate an IR ending verb is to remove IR. Remove IR. And then add IS, IS, IT, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT, ISSENT. First remove IR and add these forms according to the subject pronoun. So first let's write the subject pronouns. J means I, that you know. Tu, you. Il, he. El, she. No, N-O-U-S, no means we. V-O-U-S, that means you in a plural form. When we talk about talk to a group of people, we use vous. Or when we talk to an elder person, with respect, we use vous, not tu. Then il, this is they in a masculine form. El, this is they in a feminine form. So let's conjugate. First of all, remove IR and I write F-I-N. I-R. The root form, then remove this IR. I have removed IR, then it is fill. So write here F-I-N, F-I-N, F-I-N. Here also F-I-N, 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 F-I-N. Then add these forms according to the subject pronoun. For J, I-S. For Q, I-S again. For il and L, I-T, I-T. And here I-S-S-O-N-S. For no, we write I-S-S-O-N-S. For who, I-S-S-E-Z. Here also I-S-S-E-Z. Sorry, I-S-S-E-N-T. Here also I-S-S-E-N-T. So this is the way we conjugate the verb finir. Je finis. Tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, il finit, elle finit. So this is the way we conjugate all the verbs ending with IR. First step is to remove IR, then add these words according to the subject pronoun. Let's see one more verb, choisir. Let's see how we conjugate the verb choisir. What is the meaning of choisir? To choose. Listen, choisir means to choose. It's a little bit confusing because it already ends with is. It's a little bit confusing. So be careful while conjugating the verb choisir. J, tu, il, L, nous, vous. First, write the root form CHOISIR. Then first step remove IR. Then add IS. So it's confusing because two IS coming together. Most of my students do this mistake that they write like this only. By conjugating, they make a mistake like this. So don't do that. First write the root form and then remove IR. Then you add IS again. Choisir. Here CHOISIS again. CHOISIT. CHOISIT. Here choisissons. CHOIS. This is the root form. Then again you have to add ISSONS. Choisissons. Here also CHOISI. Then ISSEZ. Choisissez. CHOIS. ISSENT. CHOIS. ISSENT. How will you pronounce it? Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ils choisissent, elles choisissent. So for IS, IS, IT, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT, ISSENT. This is the way we conjugate all the verbs ending with IR. So let's see how we can write it in a sentence. I finish my homework. I finish my homework. What is the subject pronoun for I? It's J. Okay. Then what is the form? I, F-I-N-I-S. Je finis. My homework is a masculine word. That is devoir. D-E-V-O-I-R. For masculine word. Masculine adjective for my. It is mon. Je finis mon devoir. I finish my homework. So it's according to the subject pronoun mon devoir. Je finis, tu finis ton homework, devoir. That means you finish your homework. We finish our homework. Nous finissons. Nos no is plural. D-E-V-O-I-R-S. Nous finissons nos devoirs. That means we finish our homework. So this is the way we use these verbs in a sentence. So once again, first of all, the first step to conjugate an IR ending verb is first step you remove IR from the root form of the verb. Then add IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT according to the subject pronoun. Here we are doing all the verbs and all the sentences in present tense only. First in these two levels we will do only present tense. Later we will see how we will be conjugate these verbs in future and past tense. So now let's concentrate in present tense. We are doing all the verbs and all the conjugations in present tense in this level. Clear? So this is the way we conjugate the verb IR. So that's for today. Thank you.